Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today we have a quick decorate with me. I decided to go ahead and take everything apart off of this hill and redecorate it. So I thought I'd take you with me. Come on guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, I have a large number of viewers who are not subscribed to my channel yet. They seem to like my content and they're always coming back. So I would love for you to subscribe because it doesn't cost anything. Click that subscribe button and then double click the notification bell where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now, when you full watch a video and you click that like button, you help YouTube to notice us content creators just a little bit more. So please watch till the end of the video. Now, underneath the video, there's a comment section, and I would love to hear from you. Now, I am a lifestyle channel, but I do DIYs, and I would love to know what kind of content that you would like to see. I do a little bit of everything, but I'm really interested in what you're interested in. Okay, the candles are lit and we're heading over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, and be safe if you're going out shopping, and know that I declare you guys blessed in all that you do. So I will see you soon in the next video. Now, I think this came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.